We're headed in for 100-point off a dip to start off the trade with. We've got Chandan Taparia as well as Kunal Bothra, both of them joining in on the show. Kunal, hi morning. What's it looking like? You think we're going to be pegged back because of tomorrow being a trading off?
No, I think we should consolidate over here. Over the last 5 days, I think if you remove Friday and Monday, broadly we've been into a range 24,300 has been more like a flatlined pivot for the index, and we've guided it almost 300 points on the downside and 150 points on the upside for the index from that kind of a 24,300 levels for the Nifty. And I think looking at the action across the sectors, you're seeing a lot many sectors still showing signs of strength as well as breakout. So I believe that it's a trending market, but then within the trend, you're going to that phase of a pause or a consolidation that should be taken with a positive bias. We're still trading about the 200 DMA for the indices, both the Nifty as well as of course for the Bank Nifty. So that's another positive to add on to the near-term trends for the index. So my expectation is that consolidation would continue for a couple of days more. 24,000 still remains to be a strong support. Any dips, in case if it happens to that 24,000 spot levels, should be a very good buying opportunity.
And if you don't get the dip,
you wait.
And you
wait. You don't need to trade every day.
No, but what my point is that you are in this strong momentum groove. If you wait, I mean, like they say that money is lost in the market when you are waiting for the correction rather than the actual correction occurs, right? So does it make sense to wait?
It makes sense to wait, Nikunj, because it's not as if that the markets are going into a very rara kind of a breakout. There are phases of pause in between which is happening. Banking stock, for example, NBFC names, you've seen Bajaj Finance from the NBFC pocket, you've seen HDFC Bank, Kotak Bank, all of these stocks have gone through a phase of a pause, even after a ferocious 2-3 months of a strong breakout. So it's always better to wait for that patient breakout or the reversal and then try and buy these names.
Chandan, hi, good morning. What do you think today is going to be like? More consolidation? Are we going to see moves on either sides?
Good morning. Thanks for having me. So we have seen a consolidative move in last 6 trading session, but the good part is that supports are intact. 3 days back, Nifty took support at 23,850, which earlier used to be a hurdle. So we are getting a sign of role reversal. That means the previous hurdle is now shifting as a support, which is in a sign of a fresh leg of rally. Yesterday, it formed a doji sort of candle, has remained in a range, but it has given a highest daily close in last couple of days. So I believe the small follow-up can lead to the next leg of rally. As of now, 24,050 could act as a major support. And with this support, the index has potential to rally towards 24,500 to 24,750. Being a truncated week, some sort of consolidative move could be there. But I believe selective pocket has to be picked in this market, which can generate the alpha. But overall, positive bias. And if I talk about the seasonality, usually May to July really works well for the market. And as per the data of last 10 years, June and July has 90% probability to remain positive, and July has 100% probability. So May might remain consolidative, but June and July are likely to see positive momentum. So if someone is talking about the positional setup, I believe index has potential to rally to us 25,000 to 25,500. But on immediate basis, I'll use the support of 24,050 for a bounce of 200 to 300 points in the market on immediate point of view.
Right.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.